Welcome back to Allison Customs Project Car TV. I'm Jeff Allison, and thank you for watching. Welcome back to Allison Customs Project Car TV. Today I'm messing around with a new finger brake. I got this new little stool. This one's a really great one for a MIG welding project. Desk. Oh, let's see. Some of the welds in here are better than others. I'm messing with my band saw. Back with the camera and so you can get a nice overview of the whole project. Guys, I thought I'd show you a quick layout tool. Rotobroaches, and I had to drill a hole. Today I didn't even get it out yet. Belly pan, I guess would be a good description. Hey, good morning. It's the next day from when I started this front spoiler.
First start?
First start attempt.
Maybe?
I said attempt.
Hey, good evening. I just wanted to share with everybody, we've got a new website up and running, AllisonCustoms.com, and our email addresses have now changed to be just questions@AllisonCustoms.com, so you can leave off the online. Today we are going to show you how to bleed the brakes on a vehicle.
And today I'm going to work on my plasma table. Do a little more scraping and cleaning on it. Today I'm working on some accessories for the body cart. And what we're looking at here is a 1972 Scout 2. Today's project is something for the Mustang. I'm going to straighten out some of this tubing. Today I'm working on a bracket to mount a light similar to what's over my head here. And today I'm working on the Mustang again. As you can see, it doesn't take very much pressure to collapse it, and then essentially does not want to re-extend. Installing some new rear shocks for the 67 Mustang. Alright guys, well, it's been quite the adventure.
2019 was an amazing year. We've had channel growth that's just been, you know, for me, phenomenal. I know other channels grow faster, I don't care. Now into January of 2020, and I threw together that montage of videos, and just to give you an idea of where we went this year, 56 videos and that doesn't include the 40 videos that I did for the 40 days of Bible study. And so 96 videos that we did this year. 15 of them were Tool Bag Tuesdays. I'm going to try and get back to doing some more of those this year. 4 different welding projects that you saw in there. 2 what's going on videos, just general what's happening around the shop kind of videos. Other things, we got new website this year, new logos. We completed a wiring on a 70 Chevy LS conversion right at the beginning of the year. Completed the 66 Chevelle Evolution Orange for Jerem's. Broke my ankle in, I think that was April. What else? Got the Scout running. Got most of the second balcony built for the shop. We're going to try and finish that up this winter still. So just a phenomenal year. Just want to thank y'all so much for the great support. And next video, back on the cars and what's going on in the shop kind of thing, starts next week. We'll do that next Saturday, and then kind of get back on our normal schedule of every other Saturday with a video, and working up towards weekly videos again, especially as we run up towards the summer. So again, thanks. Hope y'all have enjoyed it all as much as I have. We'll see you next week.
So anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. We'll get you another update.
Thanks for watching Allison Customs Project Car TV. Like us on Facebook and check us out at AllisonCustomsOnline.com.